Hello and welcome. I am going to show you how to use a microwave quickly and efficiently. So first we have to plug it in and then turn it on, and now you can see the microwave is on. We have to put it on high, so if it's on high then it can cook our meal. This is where our food goes. So, if I get my meatballs, I can put them in here, but wait, what have I done? You can't just cook them in a tin. You have to get a bowl. And then put them in. What? No, that's not good. We chuck them in there like that. Juk, juk, juk. And there. Shut it. Smack it on there. Trust your microwave. Done. Oh, but wait. Look at this. Our microwave's broken now. Right. My trusty meatballs. Oh wait, I haven't. I've already done that bit. Oh, that really hurt. What have I forgotten? Oh yes, my trusty glove. My head, that really hurt. We're going to have to do it again. Silly meatballs.